Today, let's take a look at the ModelSearch integration in Creo. For that, we open a multi-CAD file from Windchill, such as a CATIA file. The search result will then appear in the lower right corner of the interface, allowing to access the model separately or loading all into one assembly. Furthermore, it is also possible to access the model's information page in Windchill, where you can gather additional details about the models. Finally, you have the option to compare the models. The built-in algorithm automatically determines the optimal position for comparison, regardless how the models were created or their location is. One model is highlighted in red, while the other model is displayed in transparent green. Additionally, there are two difference models available. One, where the geometry of the second model is subtracted from the first model, and another where the geometry is created the other way around. The later case represents the complete difference between the two models in our scenario.